Well, it was the second straight day of gains on the Lal Street, although it was a fairly choppy session. But the Nifty did manage to hold on to the 23,200 mark, in fact, ending the day in the positive zone. The broad end of the markets were outperforming today as well. So the Nifty middle small cap indices gained anywhere between 0.5% to 0.6% or so. In terms of sectors, you had the realty pack that was up and about 1.5% gains coming in there. IT as well saw some bit of recovery after yesterday's drubbing. In terms of individual movers, you had stocks like Trent that broke out of an 8-day losing streak. NTPC was the other gainer. On the flip side, you had stocks like M&M and Bajaj Finserv. Those two stocks lost anywhere between 2.5 to 3% apiece. Well, in terms of other movers, you had BSC extending the gains from yesterday. In fact, Nuvama has initiated coverage on that stock with the buy rating, and that stock was up and about again today, 6% gains coming in on a BSC. Aside of that, some big ticket numbers to watch out for today. In fact, a big chunk of Nifty companies will be reporting. Nifty weight rather will be reporting numbers tomorrow. Reliance Industries ahead of numbers, the stock was up 1%. You have Infosys, that stock was high by about 0.5% ahead of its third quarter earnings. But Axis Bank saw a 2.5% cut. In fact, slumping to its lowest in 14 months ahead of the third quarter numbers. In terms of the Nifty 500 movers, you had Newgen Software, that stock rallied somewhere around 11.5%. But on the flip side, you had those smaller mid-sized PSU banks that were rallying yesterday, came under selling pressure today. So you had stocks like Indian Overseas Bank, Central Bank, those stocks lagging and slipping somewhere around 7 to 8% or thereabouts. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.